साफ जरूरी है। भाषा साफ जरूरी है। हम तुम्हारे साथ हैं। दुश्मन हारी देखो देखो कौन आया, देखो देखो कौन आया, शेर आया, शेर आया।
तीन सौ 70 के लिए न किसी लीडर ने यहाँ बात की है, न सिर्फ गुलाम नबी आज़ाद ने 6 तकरीरें पार्लियामेंट में की है और मेरी तकरीरों का ही जवाब होम मिनिस्टर पीएम ने दिया था कि हम स्टेटहुड देंगे। और नंबर 1 370 और स्टेटहुड और काउंसिल सिर्फ पार्लियामेंट दे सकता है। वो कांग्रेस की गवर्नमेंट हो, वो बीजेपी की गवर्नमेंट हो, वो किसी और की हो, वो सिर्फ पार्लियामेंट के हदूद में है। मैंने कई स्टेटों को स्टेटहुड दिलाई है। रिकमेंडेशन ये जब मैं मिनिस्टर ऑफ स्टेट था होम का, वो सेंटर देता है, स्टेटहुड में। अटल बिहारी वाजपेयी के वक्त में भी उत्तराखंड और यूपी के 2 हिस्से हुए थे, बिहार और यूपी की, वो भी पार्लियामेंट नहीं किया। सो स्टेटहुड पार्लियामेंट, स्टेट 370 पार्लियामेंट, MLC पार्लियामेंट। ये नहीं कि आज मोदी है, कोई भी होगा जिसका 2/3 अक्सरियत होगा। अब कब 2/3 अक्सरियत होगी, अल्लाह करे कि अगले कुछ 10-20 सालों में हो। अब मैं किसी का नहीं, मैं सिर्फ कानूनी शक्ल बताता हूँ। बाकी कोई भी कहेगा मैं रात में।
आजाद साहब, होम मिनिस्टर का जो हार्ड स्टैंड है कश्मीर को लेके, हार्ड स्टैंड, और जहाँ की रीजनल पार्टीज को लेके, आपका उसका क्या कहना है?
नहीं, मैं हार्ड स्टैंड, किसी भी हार्ड स्टैंड के खिलाफ हूँ। पॉलिटिकल पार्टीज को अपनी बात कहने का फ्रीडम होना चाहिए, बोलने का हक होना चाहिए। फिर जो कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन में लिखा है स्टेट क्या कर सकती, सेंटर क्या कर सकती, लेकिन इन बातों से, तल्ख बातों से कुछ नहीं निकलता। कोई स्टेट का लीडर दे या सेंटर का लीडर, हमारी ज़बान साफ सुथरी होनी चाहिए और सेकुलर ज़बान होनी चाहिए और सबके लिए होना चाहिए। हमारे सामने हिंदुस्तान के जितने धर्म हैं, मज़ाहिब हैं, एक जैसे हैं, कोई भेदभाव नहीं होना चाहिए।
Asad sir, I'm from Kerala. Can you tell us something about the core purpose of your party and core purpose of your party?
I always believe, of course, I believe in secularism. That goes without saying. The name of my party is Democratic Progressive Party. So it has to be democratic. Because everybody has one freedom against autocracy. But they are implementing the autocracy, every leader, whether Delhi or in our state. So I am against autocracy. What is autocracy? I have said my son, my daughter will not be cheaters. They will not be enemies. But if I fight autocracy, then continue myself autocracy. So there is not democracy. This is what I have said, democracy. And then progressive. I said progressive. What is the progressive? I don't believe in casteism. I don't believe in regionalism. I don't believe in communalism. So my brand and my party's brand is progressive. We want progress of the country, progress of the nation, progress of everybody. Whichever religion he or she may belong, whichever caste he or she may belong. So the name of my party, I believe, I don't pursue like others. The Congress has fought the British rule, doing cutlery. Some other parties have fought this Maharaja rule for doing the same.
Who is your opponent? BJP or India Alliance?
I don't say none of them is my enemy. Political parties are our competitors. Like in class, we are all good friends. We are studying under one roof in one class, but there is a competition. Who will be first, who will be second, third. So this is, we are under one roof in one country, eating the same thing, sometime in the same hotel, sometime in the same home. Acharya Kriplani and Mrs. Kriplani fighting against each other, but in the same house. But we are competitors. So I take them as competitors. I don't take any political party or any leader myself.
Last question.
And I wish every political party and leader good health.
Regarding Article 370, what should stand? Removal of 370.
I have said in the beginning and everybody opposed me. And now the same leader are saying it is not possible 100 years. I had not said 100 years. When I made the party, and in my first party meeting I said Baramulla, that I fought in the parliament bravely alone. There were 10 MPs from Jammu Kashmir, 6 in Lok Sabha and 4 in Rajya Sabha. But I alone fought. I did not made only one speech has become popular, but there are 6 speeches I have made. And besides that, I fought for Article 37. I fought for state rule. I fought for this. 30. This the services. क्या सुना आपको? नहीं. 35A. I fought for 35A. And nobody in the parliament, till I spoke in the parliament, knew that 35A is not a post-independence thing. This was Maharaja Hari Singh at the request of Jammu Hindus and Kashmiri Pandits, because Muslims were hardly educated that time in 25 and 27. So Jammu Hindus and Kashmiri Pandits went to Maharaja that these Punjabis, that time this Punjab was, real Punjab was Lahore then. And it had Muslim rich people, it had Sikh rich people, it has Hindu rich people. So they told them that Kashmiris, these Muslims will buy, Lahoris will buy Kashmir, and Hindus and Sikhs will buy Jammu, and we will be without land, without services. So Maharaja Hari Singh passed first order into 25, second order in 27. The third and last order was the people of Jammu Kashmir will have state subject, and any person who would serve here shall have to have a state subject. Any person buying land shall have a state subject. And from 30th to 5th August 19, that state subject was our recognition. That credit goes to Maharaja Hari Singh. And later on, when the constitution came into being, this particular thing was fit in our Indian and state constitution. Till then, nobody knew the parliament. And